English essay રક્ષાબંધન. The festival of Raksha Bandhan falls on the full moon day of the month of Shravan. It is celebrated as a symbol of love between a brother and a sister. On the day of Raksha Bandhan, a sister ties Rakhi on the wrist of her brother. She prays for his well being. The brother promises to protect his sister. He also gives a gift to her. This festival unites people of all castes and religions. It is said that Queen Karnavati of Chittor sent a Rakhi to the Mughal king Humayun. On receiving the Rakhi, marched with his army to protect Chittor. Raksha Bandhan is also celebrated as Nariyali Purnima. Fishermen worship the sea on that day. They pray to the god of the seas. They sing and dance the whole evening. Thank you, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe.